In this video, we will talk about how to create a progressive web app, PWA, so make sure to watch the full video. Creating a progressive web app, PWA, allows you to combine the best features of web and mobile applications, delivering a fast, reliable, and engaging user experience. This guide will walk you through essential steps, from understanding key features and choosing the right framework to implementing service workers and deploying your app, ensuring a seamless experience across devices and platforms. 1. Introduction to Progressive Web Apps. PWAs. Progressive Web Apps, PWAs, represent a new approach to building web applications that deliver a native app-like experience through the browser. In this section, we will define what PWAs are and explain their core principles, including reliability, speed, and engagement. We will discuss how PWAs combine the best features of web and mobile applications, allowing users to access them through a URL without requiring installation from an app store. This section will also cover the benefits of developing a PWA, such as improved performance, offline capabilities, and enhanced user engagement, making them an increasingly popular choice for modern web development. 2. Understanding the key features of PWAs. PWAs are designed to enhance the user experience by integrating several key features that set them apart from traditional web applications. This section will explore the essential characteristics of PWAs, including responsive design, which ensures they work seamlessly across various devices and screen sizes. We will delve into service workers, which enable offline functionality and background updates, as well as the web app manifest that allows users to install the app on their home screens. Additionally, we will discuss how PWAs utilize HTTPS for secure connections, push notifications for re-engagement, and fast loading times to provide a smooth and engaging user experience. 3. Choosing the right framework for your PWA. Selecting the appropriate framework or library for building your PWA can significantly impact development efficiency and application performance. In this section, we will review popular frameworks and tools, such as React, Angular, Vue.js, and Svelte, discussing their strengths and weaknesses in the context of PWA development. We will also cover specific PWA frameworks like Ionic and Preact that are designed to optimize performance and user experience. This section will help you evaluate the best option for your project based on factors such as ease of use, community support, and the specific requirements of your application. 4. Setting up the development environment. Establishing a suitable development environment is essential for efficiently building your progressive web app. In this section, we will outline the tools and technologies required for PWA development, including code editors like Visual Studio Code or Atom, version control systems like Git, and package managers like NPM or Yarn. We will guide you through the process of setting up your local development environment, including installing necessary dependencies and tools. Additionally, we will discuss how to use development servers to preview your app in real time and the importance of using debugging tools in browsers to troubleshoot issues during the development phase. 5. Building a responsive user interface. A responsive user interface, UI, is critical for providing a consistent experience across different devices and screen sizes. In this section, we will explore best practices for designing a responsive layout using CSS frameworks like Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS, as well as techniques like CSS Grid and Flexbox. We will discuss the importance of mobile-first design, ensuring that your app is optimized for smaller screens before scaling up to larger devices. Additionally, we will cover user experience, UX principles that enhance interaction, such as touch-friendly elements, intuitive navigation, and clear call-to-action buttons, ensuring your PWA is both visually appealing and user-friendly. 6. Implementing service workers for offline functionality. Service workers are a key technology that enables PWAs to work offline and provide enhanced performance. This section will explain what service workers are, how they function, and their life cycle. We will guide you through the process of registering a service worker, implementing caching strategies to store assets and data, and enabling offline functionality for your app. Additionally, we will discuss strategies for handling network requests, providing fallback content when offline, and updating the cache efficiently. By the end of this section, you will understand how to leverage service workers to create a reliable and resilient PWA that can deliver content even in low or no connectivity scenarios. 7. Creating a web app manifest. The web app manifest is a JSON file that provides essential information about your PWA, enabling it to be installed on users' home screens and ensuring a native-like experience. In this section, we will discuss the components of a web app manifest, including the app's name, icons, theme colors, and display options. We will walk you through creating and configuring a manifest file, ensuring that it meets best practices for usability and accessibility. Additionally, we will explore how to test and validate your manifest file to ensure that it functions correctly across various browsers, enhancing your PWA's compatibility and user experience. 8. Ensuring fast loading times and performance optimization. Fast loading times are crucial for user retention and engagement. In this section, we will discuss techniques for optimizing the performance of your PWA, including minimizing HTTP requests, optimizing images, and leveraging lazy loading for content. We will explore the importance of using tools like Lighthouse to analyze your app's performance and identify areas for improvement. Additionally, we will cover strategies for optimizing JavaScript and CSS, reducing the size of assets, and utilizing caching effectively. By implementing these performance optimization techniques, you will ensure that your PWA delivers a smooth and responsive experience for users. 9. Testing your PWA across devices and browsers. Thorough testing is essential to ensure that your PWA functions correctly and provides a consistent experience across various devices and browsers. In this section, we will outline different testing strategies, including manual and automated testing, to validate your PWA's functionality and performance. We will discuss how to use browser developer tools to simulate different devices, inspect performance metrics, and troubleshoot issues. Additionally, we will cover the importance of cross-browser compatibility and how to utilize testing frameworks like Jest or Cypress for automated testing. By the end of this section, you will be equipped to ensure that your PWA delivers a seamless experience for all users. 10. Deploying and maintaining your progressive web app. Once your PWA is developed and tested, it's time to deploy it for users to access. In this section, we will discuss deployment options, including hosting services like Versal, Netlify, or traditional cloud providers like AWS and Azure. We will guide you through the deployment process, ensuring that your app is configured correctly for optimal performance and security. Additionally, we will cover ongoing maintenance strategies, such as monitoring performance, handling user feedback, and implementing updates to enhance functionality. This section will emphasize the importance of continuous improvement and maintenance to keep your PWA relevant and functional in a rapidly changing digital landscape. In conclusion, developing a progressive web app, PWA, is a powerful way to enhance user experience while leveraging modern web technologies. By following the steps outlined in this guide, such as implementing service workers, creating a web app manifest, and optimizing performance, you can build a robust application that functions seamlessly across various devices. Continuous updates and maintenance will ensure your PWA remains relevant, providing users with a reliable and engaging experience that keeps them coming back. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.